streets. Is that safe? For now. Get out the streets, bro. This is cool right there. See, this is freshly done brownstone, right? You could tell. Look. You see that sand? It's freshly done. Amazing work, though. Nice. Check this out. What's this called? Hibiscus? Something like that. I think this is the hibiscus, right? Drop it in the comment section. Is this a hibiscus? It's pretty though. Look, man, the sun, bro. Look, everything need rain. So I hope the people don't cry and complain when the rain starts falling. Oh, it's too much rain. The plants is dying, bro. Check. All the trees, look. Look at the top of this tree right here, right? You could tell it's getting beat bad by the sun. Even these plants in the shade, and they coiled up. Can't keep the city clean for no reason. Look at the Arizona can. Come on, man. Hey, y'all drop it in the comment. Clean city. We promoting cleanness. That's it. Oh, that's a real cozy right there. That's a cool spot. Just seen some pretty flowers. Look. Oh, those flowers is pretty. These flowers doing a little better. Probably the person watered these a lot. You could tell. Yeah, they water these flowers a lot. But the ones up top, I don't know, bro. They going through the heat. Let's get this light. Oh, look at the squirrel. Huh. We see you, squirrel. Oh, it's the funniest thing. Squirrel in the cut. Guys, make sure y'all subscribe, comment, like, share. It's MVision. Got a house of sale over there. Let me go over there so y'all can get the number, right? So y'all know y'all will want the house and stuff. So I'll let y'all get the number, right? You see the number? Alright. See? What type of berries is these? See? What type of berries is these? Look. What type of berries is these? Y'all know? Look. Berries. I ain't see those glass in a long time. Like, a whole lot of construction back in the day used to have those. You could tell.